Welcome to a new era of smart living, where automated window treatments are not just an added convenience, but a significant step towards energy efficiency, enhanced security, and seamless integration into the modern smart home. Today, we'll explore why upgrading your window shades could redefine your daily living experience. Smart shades are automated systems designed to operate with minimal human intervention. They can be scheduled to adjust based on time or environmental cues, like shielding your room from the harsh afternoon sun or gradually brightening your mornings with natural light. The distinction of automated shades lies in their ability to convenience homeowners beyond traditional remote controls. From smartphone apps and voice command operations to preset schedules, smart shades elevate home management to an intuitive level. Smart shades contribute significantly to energy savings, adjusting to optimize home temperatures. Integrated with smart thermostats and lighting systems, they can reduce energy costs by up to 30%, offering an attractive perk alongside their convenience. Automated shades also bolster home security by adjusting in patterns that simulate occupancy, offering privacy while safely protecting the interior from prying eyes and ensuring preparedness in emergency situations. With technology advancing, integrating shades with other smart home devices is becoming more straightforward, enhancing value beyond mere cost savings. These improvements make smart homes more accessible than ever. Interested in upgrading your window experience? Made in the Shade North Jersey is here to assist. Benefit from a complimentary design consultation and transform your home into a smarter, more secure haven today.